Good job, both of them.
Say cheese. Say cheese.
Cheese. Look at this way. Look this way. Cheese.
You on Candy Camera.
Candy camera. Yeah. Thank you. You did.
Looking at the balloon.
That's money?
Yeah.
Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Auntie. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday.
Someone whose smile is bright enough to make projects feel like a man's and someone who loves you despite your faults. Having someone who talks the talk but also walks the walk. Having someone who understands that a thug has feelings too. Someone who loves you for sure. You just remember to never let them go. Even when your husband lays on the wings, she'll be by your side. She'll be by your side. Even when those waves start sailing and all those gold digging women they say she'll still be here. Must be nice. Someone you can come home to from a long day work. Having someone you don't have to show, they know exactly where it hurts. Having someone who trusts you despite what they've heard. Someone as mighty as a lion, but still as gentle as a puma.